Monica CHAKWERA, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Nancy Chaula-Ndoko, MP, Deputy Minister of Education, and all ministers here present. Professor McPherson Malewa, Vice Chancellor of the Kamuzu University of Health Sciences. Professor Francis Moto, Chairperson of the Council, and all the members of the Kamuzu University of Health Sciences Council here present. Mr. Christopher Namagoa, University Registrar, College Directors, all the Deans of Faculty, Professors, Heads of Department, members of the academic and non-academic staff of the Kamuzu University of Health Sciences here present, all the government officials here present, all the chancellors, vice chancellors, principals, and registrars of public and private universities here present, all the graduating students of Kamuzu University of Health Sciences, Honorable Peter Simbi, Regional Chairman of the Malawi Congress Party for the South, and all the political leaders here present, Councillor Isaac Jomo Osman, Deputy Mayor of the City of Blantyre, and all the councillors here present, Senior Chief Kapeni and all the traditional leaders here present, all the religious leaders here present, parents and guardians, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It was only 2 months ago that I came here for the grand opening of the Creator Building for the enhancement of cutting-edge research in the health sciences. And so it is a great pleasure for me to be back to preside over the grand send-off of the first ever cohort of students to graduate from Kamuzu University of Health Sciences since the university was established by an act of parliament 5 years ago. Being the first KUHeS graduation, this is an historic event, and we who are in this room today are privileged to be alive, to witness it, and to celebrate those of you who are as honored to be the first graduate from this institution as I am to be installed as its first chancellor today. Congratulations are truly in order. Apart from making history, I have noticed that KUHeS is creating its own unique culture to distinguish itself from other public universities. As a case in point, I am impressed by the fusion of history and modernity that you have displayed here by incorporating the iconic flying wheels into your graduation ceremony to honor the father and founder of the Malawi nation, whose name you bear. I can think of no university more appropriate to bestow such an honor on the late great Kamuzu, for not only did he have a heart for education in the health sciences, having founded the Kamuzu College of Nursing and the College of Medicine, which merged to form KUHeS, but he was also an accomplished doctor himself. So I must thank you for honoring him in this unique fashion. And now, I wish to say a few words to the history makers before me. For this graduating cohort is going into the annals of history as the first to graduate from this university. I have no doubt that you will add to the numbers of healthcare workers in our country. I have no doubt that you will take your place in the ranks of Malawi's trained professionals. I have no doubt that you will have a career that will show the world that the investment that my government made to subsidize your education and make loans and resources for you to complete it were worth it. And I have no doubt that those of you who have benefited from the contributions I've made to your journey as a student by raising money for the neediest students through the Presidential Golf Initiative will go on to do great things with the opportunity you now have to go into the world and give back through your service. Just because I have no doubt about these things doesn't mean that it is a guarantee that they will happen. So as much as we celebrate the hard work and the determination that has helped you reach this milestone today, I want to remind you that it will take the same hard work and determination to reach your full potential in the journey that lies ahead. As much as we applaud you for your perseverance and triumph over multiple challenges, I want to remind you that the challenges that you must brace yourself to overcome in order to make a difference in the journey ahead are greater still. So as you stand on the threshold of your professional race, I call on you to rise to the challenge that lies in front of you. It is a challenge to go beyond employment and aim for impact. It is a challenge to go beyond personal integrity and aim for victory against corruption across the sectors you will occupy. It is a challenge to go beyond being a healthcare professional and aim for being healthcare patriot. It is a challenge to go beyond showing up for work and aim for showing up to serve. Because one thing I know, and I know for sure, from the way you have been trained by the dedicated faculty here and staff of this university, is that your country needs you. So do not only aim to be good at what you do, for I believe you have it in you to be great. God bless KUHeS, the university he loves to bless, or blesses the most. And God bless our nation, Malawi. Thank you.